right, there it is, man. Y'all checked out the thumbnail. Y'all seen the thumbnail, man, so you already know what it is. And it's your boy Holland here. I'm on another review on Viralspeed. If you haven't already done so, man, I know you've seen my other videos by now, so please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. You hit that like button, man. I appreciate that. That's going to support me and take me a long way. But let's get right to it, man. You can see this right here, man. We got a 2019 Aston Martin Vintage, man. This is looking sick too. Got the little mesh grill right here, and then you got your sensors right here for all your little safety features that come with this vehicle. But look how low she sit, man. Look like your rims right here are gonna be 20-inch on the front, and it's gonna be 20-inch on the back as well. If you take a look here at the handle, the handle is flush with the car, so that's pretty dope. I'm sure if you hit the button or something like that, it'll pop out so you can open it up. But this is gonna be a 2019 Aston Martin Vintage, man. This is a bad car, guys. This is definitely a bad car. I'm so anxious, man. I can't wait to push this thing, man. Here's your key fob to go with this. I like it. Looks different though. It's kind of big and everything like that. I mean, not too big where it's, you know, it's not flashy or anything like that, but it's a nice size. Nothing special about it, but you know, it is pretty big. So there you go. Hey, man, I got my dude Mitch right here, man. He is the one that's going to be out there with me on the drive. We're going to go ahead and take this puppy for a spin, and then let's see how I do, man. But this is definitely a beautiful and nice car, man. So I appreciate y'all, you know, allow me to be able to take this out, man, and review this for the people, man. So I appreciate that, man. You got an Instagram or anything like that you want to shout out?
It's Lightam, Lightam 89.
Hey, that's okay, man. Hey, but my dude is still, I appreciate him coming out here. Again, his name is Mitch, man. He works here at Cleveland Motorsports. Get down here, man. Come check out their vehicles. They got new Bentleys. They got Aston Martin. You see, that's what I'm about to drive. They even got some Lotuses here, man. So, without further ado, man, let's go ahead and get started on this. How you open up the door right here, man. It's really simple and easy. All you do is just push it in and pull out. Opens that simple. How you like that? Well, this is what she looked like on the inside. I like the steering wheel right here, man. Then it's cut off at the bottom. I like that. Definitely. You got the big pedal shifters right here. And there we go, man. We'll start her up in a minute, man. But I just want y'all to take a look at this right here. This is nice. You got your park, rear. That's how you start your engine right there. You got the neutral. You got the drive. And then it's like the suede Alcantara or something like that, man. But the inside of this vehicle is definitely nice, man. It's nice and comfortable. You got leather seating. Look like they're gonna be heated, and look like they're probably gonna be vented as well. Memory seats right here. We got carbon fiber here on the inside of this vehicle. Y'all already know how I feel about carbon fiber. Just like that. And in a second here, I'm gonna go ahead and get her started up, and we can go ahead and get on the road with this. Vantage is what's called Vantage. I've been saying Vintage all the time, but it's called Vantage. So I'm going to go back and look at that. That's 2019 Aston Martin Vantage. Okay. Oh, you can hear that engine.
Yeah.
I definitely like the steering wheel. Top left, you can change your
now it feels like I'm driving